In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up abandoned checkout emails for your Shopify store using both free and app options. This is a powerful feature to help you recover potentially lost sales and re-engage customers who almost made a purchase but didn't quite get to the finish line. So, let's dive right in and explore how to set this up effectively for your business. To get started, navigate over to your Shopify admin panel and take a look at the left-hand side menu. You'll see a tab labeled Marketing. Go ahead and click on it. This area of Shopify houses a variety of tools designed to help you boost your online store's visibility and drive more sales. Today, we're focusing specifically on the automation features that are part of this comprehensive suite. Once you're in the marketing section, you'll want to select Automations. This is where you can create workflows that automatically send messages to your customers based on certain actions they take or don't take on your site. Automations can effectively run in the background, helping you maintain consistent communication with your customers without the need for manual interventions each time. Next, find and click on View Templates. Templates are Shopify's way of giving you a head start with pre-designed workflows that you can tailor to suit your store's unique needs. To find relevant templates quickly, you can use the search bar provided. Here, type in Abandoned Cart. This search will bring up a selection of templates designed to re-engage customers who've added items to their cart but haven't completed their purchase. Choose the Recover Abandoned Cart template. This template is exactly what you're looking for. It's designed specifically to reach out to customers who have left items behind in their shopping carts. Once set up, this automated email will be triggered when a customer adds at least one product to their cart and then leaves the page without completing their checkout. This gentle reminder often helps nudge them back to complete their purchase. As you proceed, you might notice a prompt suggesting the installation of certain apps. These apps are required to fully utilize this automation feature. So be sure to follow the prompts and install any necessary applications if you haven't done so already. This setup will maximize your ability to recover lost sales effectively. Finally, after you've selected the desired automation and installed any required apps, you're all set. Your Shopify store will now send out timely emails to remind customers of their abandoned carts, offering them another chance to complete their purchase. Setting up these emails is a simple yet incredibly impactful strategy to boost your store's revenue and recapture potential sales. And that's all it takes. With these steps, you now have a vital automation working for your Shopify store, ensuring that no cart goes completely forgotten. It's a straightforward but essential tweak that could make a significant difference in your sales. Thank you for joining today, and here's to a successful store and happy selling.